Introducing the UTRI Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, a powerful 3500A battery booster for vehicles up to 8.0 L diesel. With a 27,000 mAh power bank, 150 psi air compressor, and LCD screen, it ensures quick tire inflation. Safety features include a 10-level protection system and visible alarms. Compact, portable, and equipped with an emergency light, it offers an ultra-long standby time. The package includes a 2-year warranty, heavy-duty smart clamp, Type-C charging cable, and versatile air nozzles. Don't miss out on this essential tool. Find the purchase link in the comments below and ensure you're always prepared on the road. Introducing the BRPOM Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, your ultimate on-the-go solution for emergencies. With a powerful 4500A peak current and heavy-duty clamps, this jump starter can revitalize all gas or 8.0 L diesel engines even in extreme temperatures -20 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. The built-in smart air compressor boasts a maximum pressure of 150 psi and 45 liters per minute airflow, inflating a car tire in just 3 minutes. Beyond jump starting, it features a versatile LED flashlight with multiple modes for emergency situations. The heavy-duty clamp cables ensure safe and easy usage, while dual DC outputs power other 12V devices. With a 24-month standby and a comprehensive package, including a storage box, this jump starter is your reliable companion. Don't miss out. Explore the convenience on Amazon now. Introducing the SCATAC Q12 Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, your go-to solution for on-the-road emergencies. With a powerful 4000A peak current, it effortlessly jumpstarts 12V cars, SUVs, trucks, or vans up to 50 times. The built-in large LCD digital display and smart inflation function make it a versatile tool, allowing you to preset and automatically inflate tires. Compact and lightweight, this jump starter is optimized for portability without compromising functionality. It serves as a multifunctional battery jumper pack, featuring a flashlight with various modes and dual USB outputs for quick charging. Don't miss out. Explore the convenience on Amazon now and be prepared for any journey. Introducing the Toman X7 Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, your ultimate roadside companion. With an unmatched peak starting current of 4250A and a large battery capacity, the X7 Jump Starter is tailored for heavy-duty vehicles, capable of starting all 12V vehicles up to 10L gas/10L diesel, up to 70 times on a single charge. The intelligent digital tire inflator, equipped with a 5.1-inch smart screen, ensures convenient operation and real-time tire pressure monitoring. The X7 boasts a user-friendly display, upgraded thermal design, and multiple safety protections for reliable performance in extreme conditions. More than a jump starter, it serves as a power bank, tire inflator, and LED flashlight with fast Type-C charging. Don't miss out. Explore the convenience on Amazon now and stay prepared on the road. Introducing the UBI Portable Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor, your all-in-one solution for roadside emergencies. The X7 Jump Start battery pack combines a powerful 3500A car jump starter, a 160 PSI cordless tire inflator, and a portable power bank with a 3-mode LED light. With upgraded Type-C PD45W and QC 3.0 USB-A outputs, it quickly charges electronic devices. The 24,000 mAh battery ensures over 60 quick jump starts, suitable for cars, SUVs, trucks, and motorcycles. Equipped with an intelligent LED display, precise tire pressure detection, and a rapid recharge capability, this jump starter guarantees unmatched performance. Don't be caught unprepared. Find it on Amazon now for a reliable travel companion.